pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of
melting the moments. For this you'll need 110 grams of butter or margarine, 75 grams of castor superfine sugar, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 175 grams of self-rising flour, oats or desiccated coconut for coating, and some glacé cherries. Cream the butter and the sugar. And the sugar. Very light. Beat the egg and a teaspoon of vanilla essence together. Teaspoon of vanilla essence. Beat the egg and the vanilla essence into the margarine and sugar. Stir in the flour. And mix well. Well mixed. With wet hands, form the dough into walnut-sized pieces, large walnut-sized pieces, and roll them in either the coconut or the rolled oats. And place them on a baking tray. This is the oats. Ooh. Cherry, cherry baby, cherry baby, cherry baby. Bake for 10 to 15 minutes at gas mark 4, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius conventional oven, 160 degrees Celsius fan convection oven. And now for the taste test. I think this one's coconut. Try it. Nice. That's 18 out of 20 on a scrumptious scale. Let's try an oat one. I give the oat one 17 out of 20 on the scrumptious scale.